friends, welcome to my new video. And in today's video we are going to discuss the structure of eye and how the eye works and how the image forms in our eye. The light and the eyes connection is very important for our life. It is a very necessary part of our body. So let's see how eye works. It is the structure of our eye, human eye. And friends, this is very complicated to see. Not for learn to see, this is very complicated, but in actual this is very simple. You can learn in only watch this video. So friends, in starting we are studying the eye structure from cornea. This part of the eye, the outer part of the eye is known as cornea. After it, there is a iris. This is the black part of our pupil. It gives the color to our pupil. Iris. After it, it is a main and important hole, and the part of the eye is pupil, by which light enters into the eye through the pupil. After it, friends, this is a lens. This is lens, friends. Eye lens. There are two types of lens in the world: convex and concave. But this is the concave lens, and friends, it is attached, or we can say it is connected with this. It is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles is also connected with the suspensory ligament. Okay friends, it's clear. Now inside the eye, this is the sclera. What is the work of sclera? It gives shapes to our eyes, and by sclera, this is the water, and you can say this is the jelly-like substance which is made up with water. And friends, in Hindi you can say Asu is coming from the sclera. After it, there is a layer which named choroid. After choroid, friends, this is a important part to see the image. This is retina. The image is forms on retina. When we see any image, it forms in retina. Now friends, see, this is blind spot. It is a place inside the eye where no image forms. This is black in color, by which the blood enters into the eye, and the remaining part, all part, the image forms on retina. Friends, this is optic nerve. And friends, this is blood vessels. This is blood vessels. And friends, this is fovea centralis. This is fovea centralis. And friends, there is an important role of lens in the eye. The lens has the power of accommodation. What is power of accommodation? It can adjust its frequency by the object. If friends, object is far away, it will stretch, and when the object is coming near, it will come down. there, this is the structure of the eye, and this is the main part of the eye. Now see the work of every part. First, cornea. This is this is the outer layer of the eye which protect us when something fallen in our eye. It protected. After it, this is iris. You can say, and you saw anywhere that many people have the green pupil and the green eye. Iris gives the color to the eye: green, blue, black, etc. And friends, iris hold the pupil. This is pupil. This is a hole. I told you before that light enter through the pupil. After it, friends, lens. I told you. And friends, sclera, it is the jelly-like substance, and the water is coming from the sclera. And friends, retina, where the image formed. In all over part, image is formed in retina. Now friends, we see that how image forms. Okay. Now friends, you think, you just imagine that this is the light. This is light coming. Now friends, after the lens, when it reaches the lens diverges into a point and meet on the retina. They are meet on the retina, by which we can see the things. If it doesn't meet there, if it meet behind the retina, then friends, it is a disease and it is a disorder. This means hypermetroposis. And friends, if this light meet before the retina, this is known as myopia. This is also a disorder, friends. So I hope friends, you understood what is the structure of eye and what is the work of structure and many parts of the eye. So friends, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye friends.